Ordering flowers online should be simple, but some sites look beautiful when hiding serious red flags. Today we're reviewing opacity.com, a flower boutique shop. Is it legit or is it just another risky online store? Let's investigate. So opacity.com presents itself as an online flower boutique, selling bouquets and floral gifts for occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. The site markets stylish floral arrangements and attractive pricing designed to make ordering flowers quick and convenient. On the surface, the store appears normal, a modern website layout with product photos and descriptions. Flower shops online are common, and many legitimate businesses do operate purely through websites. If secure checkout and clear policies are present, then there can be a positive signal for online stores. But there are warning signs shoppers should check carefully. Very limited independent reviews online, making it hard to verify real customer experiences. Some new flower websites follow patterns seen in scam stores, including lack of clear contact info, copied images, or extremely low prices. Fake flower shops sometimes advertise heavily online but fail to deliver products after payment or send completely different items. So is opacity.com legit? Right now, it falls into the use caution category. There isn't enough reliable reputation data yet, which means you should verify reviews, contact details, and payment protection before buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.